BitFlyer app. The pros, the cons. The BitFlyer app is a cryptocurrency exchange and wallet platform popular in Japan, offering fast and secure trading for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You won't believe how quickly you can buy, sell, and track crypto, but most people get this wrong by assuming international exchanges are complicated. BitFlyer makes it surprisingly simple. On the pro side, BitFlyer is highly regulated in Japan and Europe, providing strong security and compliance. The app supports multiple cryptocurrencies, offers low trading fees, and provides real-time market data for informed trading. Users can deposit and withdraw funds in local currencies with ease, and advanced features like margin trading and Bitcoin Lightning Network integration are also available. Cons include a more limited cryptocurrency selection compared to global competitors. Some advanced features like margin trading may not be available in all regions. Custodial storage means you don't hold your private keys directly, which could be a concern for some users. Additionally, customer support outside Japan can be slow at times. In conclusion, the BitFlyer app is ideal for beginners and experienced traders in Japan and Europe looking for a secure, regulated platform with easy-to-use trading tools. While its crypto selection is limited compared to some global exchanges, it's a reliable option for secure and compliant crypto trading.